Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Quickie Tech Tips, the spot where we break down the complicated world of tech into bite-sized, easy-to-digest nuggets. I'm your host, Rashawn, your personal smartphone coach. And today, we have a fantastic topic on the menu. But first, before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss any of our tech adventures. Now, let's jump into today's video where we will unravel the mysteries of factory resetting an iPhone. Be sure to stick around until the end so those final steps don't cause you any issues. Whether you're a tech pro or just starting, this one's for you. So sit back and relax, and let's make tech simple and fun together. Ready? Let's roll. All right, so first step, go ahead and pick up your phone and unlock it. Next, we're going to go to the settings menu. Once inside the settings, we're going to go down to General. So we're going to tap on General and swipe all the way to the bottom of the page where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone. Don't be fearful. Go ahead and erase all content and settings. Next up, everything on this page is going to be removed off your phone. So when you hit continue, make sure that you are aware of that. All right, so now here's the tricky part. If you're going to be keeping your iPhone, you're going to keep your eSIM and erase the data. Now, if you're going to be getting rid of your iPhone, obviously, you're going to need to get rid of the eSIM. So delete the eSIM and erase data. Now, if you delete the eSIM and you're wanting to keep the iPhone, keep in mind the next step after that is to contact your cell phone provider so that they will then be able to reactivate the phone on the network. Next, all you need to do is put in the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. This page is just going to make sure that your backup is completely up to date. Last but not least is your Apple ID password. All right, please note, you have to have active internet access in order to have the factory reset be successful. Now, once you've completed this process and the phone has turned off, you will now see the Apple sign with the loading bar right below it. Once that's completed, the last step of this process is something you don't even have to do. You'll just look at your phone and it'll say, hello. And that's it. We are completely done with the process. That wasn't hard at all, was it? And there you have it, Tech Explorers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with any questions or any suggestions for any future Quickie Tech Tips. Until next time, this is Rashawn, your personal smartphone coach from Quickie Tech Tips, signing off. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, most importantly, stay awesome. Catch you on the next one.